Hello everyone, welcome to our virtual space. This is Kunal, a MBBS student in IMS PHU. Again I am here with my new poem. The title is The Lockdown Mirror. Okay, before getting into this poem, I want to share a few things with you. Uh, First of all, I wanted to put its title something like Is Happiness an Illusion? Or simply Happiness is an Illusion. But I prefer this. And the second thing is we tend to underestimate ourselves, and we try to find means and ways to get approvals from society as much as they can on cost of our own self-esteem and self-confidence. And the third thing is, please ignore my presenting way. Still I'm learning and trying to improve myself. Okay, here I go. I was low, slow, and losing my inner glow. I tried to introspect, and while looking back, my mind blew. I looked around for happiness, but nothing I found. Happiness, which is really an illusion, now again forcing my agony to compound. Now the nasty knave animal was sounding loud, looking for something to again match the common ground. While I was depressed, compressed, and oppressed by my own illusionary being, I discovered a dusty mirror which held me to mirror my virtually approved me every day before appearing in front of the world. I started dusting off the ignorance, settled on it. Then I was compelled to confront the person my mirror mirrored in front of me. After getting exhausted looking at each other without a word, we settled with a conclusion that happiness is an illusion, and this had compelled us to feed its hunger with endless approvals. We finally realized and rejuvenated and again started our journey for something relatively more absolute. Something like, okay, by this time, I hope you would have got what I'm trying to say. I ended this poem with something like so that you can relate with your personal life, with your story, with your situation, and figure out what you are doing wrong and try to improve yourself. And with this, I'll say thanks for watching this video, and try to share and try to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you.